Hey, this is my Project 1 Introductions for Educational Foundations. My name is Caitlin Rains. I just took this photo, so here's a little bit about my family. My husband Tyler and I got married last October. We had been dating for a little over 7 years before we got married. We started dating in middle school, so we have one dog together. His name is Timber. Timber is a tree walker coonhound, and he weighs in around 70 pounds. He may pop in because I'm working from home today. So I am an 8th grade social studies teacher, virtually and face-to-face at Warren Middle School. Go Junior Jacks. This is my first year teaching. So my plans for education, my number one plan is teach until I can't teach anymore. I plan on hopefully teaching after retirement if I'm able to, or after the 28 years required for retirement or whatever. I love teaching. I've always loved education and teaching. I always loved learning, so why not be a teacher, right? I plan to help each student be the best learner they can be. That sentence explains itself. I want to help make students thrive in education and make sure they always feel welcome and safe, whether that be at home. I want to make sure that I make them feel safe at home and in my class, and I want to ensure that they grow to be successful members of society. So I have high expectations for the Masters of Arts in Teaching program at UAM. Number one, because I'm paying a lot of money for these classes, and I know that the education teachers at UAM care about the success of their students, and they want to see us do our best in everything. I've had these teachers before, and I expect to be taught how to thrive as a teacher and how to be the best teacher I can possibly be. So a little bit of interesting facts about myself. I was a long-term sub for Warren Middle School last school year before COVID hit. I subbed for a science teacher, and now I'm a social studies teacher in the 8th grade. A lot of my co-teachers are like, "Are you teaching science?" I'm like, "No, social studies." I know I was here, but whatever. My undergrad is also in educational studies, so technically I'm a double education major. I told you I really like education. And I'm alumni of the Warren School District, so I walked the middle school hallways as a middle schooler, and now I'm teaching at the middle school, and I think that's pretty cool. And the most interesting fact about myself, my very first day of teaching, I got quarantined. So this is day 3 of my first year teaching, and yeah, I'm already quarantined working from home. And that's all I have in the slideshow. And that's all I have.